Boom, yo, what's up, guys? Byron, Rodgers, Executive Protection Training Day. One thing you need to understand when you're on the road, you put your client in the room at the end of the hall or wherever the suite. You need to know where all the exits are. You need to have a floor plan written up. You need to know where all the advantageous positions on your floor are, where all the fire escapes are, and then also you need to have a plan for how you're getting out with your people if anything happens, or if, depending on that emergency, you're going to get out with your people, or if you're going to hold in place. You need to know where all your hard rooms are on that floor. There's a number of considerations. So when you go to a hotel, it's not just let the hotel do it. You got to think through these things anyways. These are the things we're talking about on the training day. If you want to take your executive protection career to the next level, I'll see you on the training day in the Training Day Success Program.